Kangaroos are large marsupials that are found only in Australia.
Typecast.
They are identified by their muscular tails, strong back legs, large feet, short fur, and long pointed ears. Like all marsupials, a subtype of mammal, females have pouches that contain mammary glands, where their young live until they are old enough to emerge. Kangaroos are in the Macropodidae family, which also includes tree kangaroos, wallabies, wallaroos, quokkas, and pademelons. When people think of kangaroos, the four species that typically come to mind are in the genus Macropus, the Antilopine kangaroo, the red kangaroo, the western gray kangaroo, and the eastern gray kangaroo. They are sometimes referred to as the great kangaroos because these species are much larger than other kangaroos. However, there are 12 species of tree kangaroos in the Dendrologus genus, according to the Integrated Taxonomic Information System. And beddings in the Podridae family are called rat kangaroos. Size: the largest kangaroo, as well as the largest marsupial, is the red kangaroo, according to National Geographic, opens in new tab. The length from the red kangaroo's head to its rump is 3.25 to 5.25 feet, when to 1.6 meters long. Its tail adds another 35.5 to 43.5 inches, 90 to 110 centimeters, to its length, and its entire body weighs around 200 pounds. 90 kilograms. The smallest kangaroo is the musky rat kangaroo. It is only 6 to 8 inches, 15.24 to 20.32 centimeters long, and weighs only 12 ounces, 340 grams. Its route-like tail adds another 5 to 6 inches, 12.7 to 15.24 centimeters, to its length. Habitat: most kangaroos live on the continent of Australia, though each species has a different place it likes to call home. For example, the musky rat kangaroo likes to nestle down in little nests on the floor of the rainforest in northeastern Queensland. Grey kangaroos like the forests of Australia and Tasmania, on the other hand. The Antilopine kangaroo can be found in the monsoonal eucalyptus woodlands of extreme northern Australia. Tree kangaroos live in the upper branches of trees in the rainforests of Queensland, as well as on the island of New Guinea. Habits: kangaroos are the only large animals that hop as a primary means of locomotion. Their springy hind legs and feet are much stronger and larger than their arms, or forelimbs. According to the San Diego Zoo, kangaroos can cover 15 feet, 11 meters, in a single hop and can hop as fast as 30 miles per hour, 48 kph. Usually 20 miles per hour, 32 kph, is considered their cruising speed. When feeding, kangaroos use a slower walking movement, and for that, they use their muscular tail as a kind of fifth leg, pushing off the ground as they move along. Kangaroos are social and live in groups called a mob, a herd, or a troop. Kangaroos in a mob will groom each other and protect each other from danger. If a kangaroo suspects there is danger in the area, it will stomp its foot on the ground to alert others. If it comes to blows, a kangaroo will box and kick its opponent. Diet: kangaroos are herbivores. They eat grasses, flowers, leaves, ferns, moss, and even insects. Like cows, kangaroos regurgitate their food and re-chew it before it is ready to be totally digested. Offspring: probably the best-known fact about kangaroos is that they carry their young in a pouch. A female kangaroo is pregnant for 21 to 38 days, and she can give birth to up to 4 offspring at one time, though this is unusual. At birth, the baby, called a joey, can be as small as a grain of rice or as big as a bee. At 0.2 to 0.9 inches, 5 to 25 millimeters, according to the San Diego Zoo. When the joey is born, it is guided safely into the comfy pouch, where it gestates for another 120 to 450 days. Inside the pouch, the joey is protected and can feed by nursing from its mother's nipples. Joeys urinate and defecate in the mother's pouch. The lining of the pouch absorbs some of the mess, but occasionally the mother will need to clean it out. which she does by inserting her long snout into the pouch and using her tongue to remove the contents. A young joey will remain attached to a nipple while the mother does this, but any older ones will be temporarily kicked out. Another interesting fact about the mother kangaroo is that she is able to suckle two joeys at different developmental stages at the same time with milk that has different nutritional content, the New York Times has reported. Joeys grow quickly though, and at 14 to 20 months for females or 2 to 4 years for males, they will be fully matured.